Useful tips for long life and slow down aging. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we talk about how we can delay the signs of aging by following a simple diet. Anti-aging foods are essential foods. They supply basic nutrients that we need to have a healthy body. When you include foods high in antioxidants in your diet, you can delay the effects of aging. Antioxidants are found in fruits and vegetables like prunes, raisins, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, spinach and raspberries, and are great for your health. Besides them, here's what else you can include in your diet. Green leafy vegetables. Veggies like cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli. Turnip, Brussels sprouts, and radishes are all rich in vitamin C, and the anti-cancer substance they're also known to help prevent cataracts and eye problems. Tomatoes. This vegetable is extremely rich in lycopene. Pain and antioxidants protect against coronavirus, heart disease, and cancer of the lung, stomach, mouth, rectum, and prostate gland. Garlic. Garlic is another potent antioxidant that has been shown to lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood stickiness, heal intestinal, respiratory, and skin infections, and even prevent heart disease. Soybeans. Soybeans have isoflavones to help prevent aging caused by hormone imbalances. It is also known to protect against breast and prostate cancers, as I must disease, osteoporosis, and heart disease if you're menopausal, so I will help you manage your estrogen levels. Berries, blackberries, blueberries, black currant, and black grapes are in phytochemicals, which is a powerful antioxidant known to be great for health. Nuts. Nuts are rich in vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, and omega-3 fatty acids. Include a few in your daily diet and keep the signs of aging at bay. Curd and honey. Curd or yogurt is a great immunity booster and also suitable for your digestive system, while honey helps prevent memory loss as well as anxiety. Regular exercise. According to experts and several studies, regular exercise is the greatest we'll ever get to a fountain of youth. There are several systems at work. Aerobic exercise strengthens aging hearts, increases artery flexibility, decreases blood pressure, and improves brain blood flow. Strength exercise keeps muscle and bone mass from deteriorating as we become older. In a 2018 study of 5,823 adults, researchers discovered that those who exercised the most, equivalent to a 30-minute jog 5 times a week, had considerably longer telomeres, giving them a 9-year biological advantage over their sedentary counterparts. According to the researchers, the benefit is thought to be related to exercise's capacity to lower inflammation and oxidative stress. So if you want to slow aging, you must take regular exercise and fulfill your dream. Keep company with good people. Maximize the amount of time that you spend with people you enjoy being around. Connecting with others who radiate positivity and have similar interests will excite and energize you. On the flip side, people you don't relate to or who have negative outlooks, complain often, or make poor choices will only drain your energy account. Be selective in the company you keep. Reduce overeating. Low-calorie intake, a longer lifespan, and a lower risk of disease have been linked in studies of human populations famed for their lifespan. According to animal research, a 10–50% reduction in regular calorie consumption may extend the maximum lifespan. Furthermore, calorie restriction may improve the removal of excess body weight and abdominal fat, which are related to a shortened lifespan. It's still unclear whether calorie restriction delays aging or increases lifespan. Follow a Mediterranean diet. It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, olive oil, and fish. The plan can also put a serious dent in your chances of getting metabolic syndrome, a mix of obesity, high blood sugar, high blood pressure, and other things that make you more likely to get heart disease and diabetes. Make sleep priority. Getting enough quality sleep can lower your risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and mood disorders. It'll also help you recover from illness faster. Burning the midnight oil, on the other hand, is bad for you. Snooze for less than 5 hours a night and you might boost your chances of dying early, so make sleep a priority. Prioritize your happiness. Feeling happy is one of the essential suggestions. Having a positive attitude can help you live longer. A study of 180 Catholic nuns looked at their self-reported satisfaction levels when they first arrived at the monastery and compared them to their longevity. Throughout a 5-year trial, happy people had a 3.7% lower risk of dying young. Those who were happy at the age of 22 had a 2.5-fold higher chance of still being alive 6 decades later. Finally, An analysis of 35 studies found that happy people live up to 18% longer than those who are unhappy. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more information if you like this video. Thanks so much for watching.